Bafuna imisebenzi engcono njengabasebenzi ababumbeneko bafuna nemiholo engcono nendawo zokusebenza ezithe tjha kiyo yonke imikhakha.
The farm workers must also be involved. They must also have their union so that their voices must be heard.
We ask the workers to picket on a picket line on a daily basis to say that the leadership that is being led by Comrade Ramaphosa has failed us.
More workers in the private sector are very much vulnerable, specifically from the farms, from your retail.
I-Cosatu ehlakunitshingalanga ifuna bonke abasebenzi bafumane imiholo abazokwazi ukuphila ngayo.
So far, we have achieved the national minimum wage of about 3,500, which has been adjusted in the past year. But we believe that that is not enough because it cannot put sufficient food for the workers on the plate, and that we cannot take care of their whole families and their livelihood.
Incwadi yenililo yamukelwe ngusomkhandlu wezemali esifundeni.
We have received the memorandum. There are discussions that are ongoing with the COSATU in terms of their demands, especially with the resolution of 2018.
Nanyana kunjalo kubonakala kusazokudosa ukuchugululwa kobujamo abasebenza kibo kunye nokubhadela imiholo engcono ukulungisa ubujamo bempilo.